So it's getting. It looks like I'm getting ready for war. Dressing up like this.
Yeah. War.
Putting on the trousers. The hat.
Yeah, you comb your hair first and then put your hat on and keep it on. But when you leave the hat off till your hair dries, when you get in the car.
Alright.
Just helping you.
It's gonna get dry.
Yeah. Because you don't get your hat wet with your damp hair, that's what I'm saying. Look, those trousers are quiet.
It's not really on to keep bossing around like that.
I'm not bossing, Jordan, I'm talking. Let me talk to you. Why do you don't take everything as a criticism?
I wish everyone could stop using the word everything.
Come on. Lovely. I forgot you had that top as well, actually.
So did I.
So you would be surprised what's in your room.
I know. Well, good thing is I'll get loads of time to do anything in September when she goes on holiday. So I can have a proper look round and I can do anything I like. All the time in the world.
What day does she go?
I'm not sure.
You put your hat back on again, take it off.
Leave my poor hat.
Right, I'm doing you. Did you use all the lemon curd up, Jordan? Do I need some more?
Well, if you don't see any, it makes a very obvious yes.
What do you need to tell me? Keep using all the stuff up and then not telling me when I need.
Because.
What's that there? Oh.
Because this has already got Poppy on it, so I think the best thing to do is to probably do that.
What are you going to do with this then? Yeah, cover the end.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean.
Right, what top are you going to wear over the top of it? To cover your sleeves. I need to get to the cupboard, Jordan. What are you doing that for? I hope you're not recording.